And welcome to the e-class of Default School Baripada. Children, today I am going to teach moral science to class 6 students. Today lesson 2 I am going to teach. Last video I have taught you lesson number 1. This is lesson number 2. This both lesson will be your syllabus for this first unit test exam. So let's see the lesson. Honestly speaking means you should always talk truth, never use lie. So how honesty bring good result to your life? This is all about that story. This is a drama. So here you can see characters are there. Narrator who is saying the story. Gopal, one of the character, he is a miser. He never spend money. Raju, Gopal's friend. Neela, Raju's wife. And village headman means Sarpanch. So these are some of the character of the story. Let's start the story. Scene 1. Narrator. Gopal the miser lived in a village in Tamil Nadu. He was a very wealthy man, but he did not believe in helping his friend, relatives or anyone in the need. This story begins with a character or person named Gopal. He was very wealthy person, but as well as he was a miser, he never spent a single pie for any of his friend or relative for help. He lives in a small village of Tamil Nadu. So Gopal's wife had a lot of jewels. Being a rich person, jewelry generally they have. Gopal's wife also had some gold jewels or jewelries. Gopal never allowed her to wear those jewelries. One day it happened that he was carrying 10 gold bangles in his bag and he lost all of them. Now he was taking all the gold bangles to keep in a safe place, but on the way he lost all the gold bangle of his wife. Now after losing all the gold bangles, now Gopal was talking to himself, my God, I have lost 10 gold bangles. I am feeling so miserable. I will go and share my loss to Raju. He is a kind man who will listen to me patiently. While after losing the gold bangles, he was talking to himself, my God, how could I do this? How could I lose so important thing, 10 gold bangles, and now I am feeling so much depressed and miserable. My condition is so miserable, so painful that I cannot say. Let me say this incident to one of my good friend Raju. He is a good man. He will surely listen to my painful incident. Next, narrator is saying, meanwhile, Raju's wife Neela had gone to a local shop to get some rice. Now, Raju is not that much rich man. His wife went to the nearby shop to get some rice. So on the way back, she found 10 gold bangles laying on the road. So while coming back from the shop to her house, Neela, the wife of Raju, got 10 gold bangles on the road. She picked them up and informed Raju the moment she entered the house. By that time, Gopal had left their house. When she reached home, she told to her husband Raju that on the way to home, I found these 10 gold bangles. That time, Gopal had already gone from Raju's house, and Raju knew that Gopal had lost 10 gold bangles of his wife Neela. Ha ha, Gopal has so much gold and always says that he doesn't have enough. Now Neela is saying to Raju that you see, Gopal was so much rich. He was having so much wealth with him. He was so rich. Then also, whenever we asked him about his richness or his wealth, he usually say, I am not that much rich. I don't have nothing with me. I am a poor man. So How lies he used to say to us, Nila is saying to Raju. Now at least he cannot say that he is not wealthy. Now Nila is saying to Raju that now he cannot tell lie because we got the proof that see, he is a rich fellow because he is having 10 gold bangles of his wife with him, which he lost on the road. Raju, it said that despite being wealthy, he is so unhappy. Raju is saying to his wife that being so wealthy, then also he is so unhappy. But you see, we are happier with a little we have. But you can see, we are not that much rich like Raju, but we are happy with our life. We are happy with what we have with us. Narrator is saying now, Gopal the miser thought it was a good chance to blame Raju and get some more gold from him. He thought of a plan to cheat Raju and began counting the gold bangles. Now Raju went with those gold bangles, 10 gold bangles, and gave to Gopal. Gopal was a wicked man. He was wiser as well as very crooked, wicked man. He made a plan now how to make use of this situation to earn more from the Raju by cheating him. Gopal, Raju, there are only 10 gold bangles, but I lost 20 of them. Please ask your wife to give the other 10 back to me. Gopal told to Raju, Raju, I have lost 20 gold bangles, but your wife has given me 10. You tell your wife to give back more 10 which she has kept with her. Raju, you are lying, Gopal. You said you lost 10 gold bangles and we have given all of them to you. Now Raju is saying you are totally lying to me because when you came to our house in the morning you told you have lost 10 gold bangles of your wife. Now you are saying that you have lost 20 gold bangles. This is utterly lie. How could you say so much big lie to me? Now scene number 2. Narrator is saying Gopal went to village headman and complained about Raju and Nila. Being a naughty, crooked man, Gopal went to the village headman, the sarpanch of the village, and he complained against Raju and his wife Nila. The village headman was a wise man, but the village sarpanch or headman was a very intelligent and very wise man. He called the panchayat for a meeting. He called a panchayat that today we are going to have a meeting to discuss about in the incident between Gopal and Raju. Raju and his wife were also asked to attend the meeting. Raju and his wife also were told to present in the meeting. Village headman questioned Nila and Gopal again. Now village headman is saying to Nila and Gopal, Nila, how many gold bangles did you find? Tell me the truth. The village headman, the sarpanch, was asking question to Nila, you please tell me the truth, how many gold bangles you found on the way? Nila, sir, I found 10 gold bangles. Nila told the truth what she found. Village headman, Gopal, how many gold bangles did you lose? I want the truth. Now second question he asked to Gopal, please Gopal tell me how many gold bangles you lost on the way. Please tell the truth. Now Gopal is saying, sir, I told you before that I lost 20 gold bangles. Sir, I have told you before that I have lost 20 gold bangles of my wife. Village admin is now saying, you lost 20 gold bangles and Nila found 10. Means you have lost 20 gold bangles of your wife, but Nila found 10 gold bangles on the road. For now, these gold bangles belong to Nila till someone asked for them. Now, these gold bangles are not yours because you have lost 20, but Nila found 10. These gold bangles might be somebody, some other person. So, let these gold bangles will be with Nila until the person whose these gold bangles will come and ask for the gold bangles. She will have these gold bangles with her. Meanwhile, we will tell people to look out for the 20 gold bangles that you lost. Whenever we find them, we will give them to you. Now the headman is saying to Gopal that I have told some of the people to go and search for 20 gold bangles which you have lost. So until they get those gold bangles, you please go home. We will inform you when we will get back those 20 gold bangles. But these 10 gold bangles will be now onwards of Nila, Raju's wife. Narrator: Gopal realized that by lying he had fallen in his own trap. Now Gopal was very sure that by telling the lie against Raju and Nila, he was fall in his own trap. He admitted to the headman that he had lied about losing 20 gold bangles. Now he is confessing his truth, that I have told the lie before, that I have lost 20 gold bangles, but in fact I have lost 10 gold bangles. These 10 gold bangles which Raju's wife got, these are mine gold bangles, please return back to me. The village headman refused to listen Gopal and the case was closed. But village headman denied that I am not going to reopen the case because the case is totally dismissed and the case is closed forever. Now if you will tell again that this gold bangles belongs to you, I am not going to repeat the decision. I am going to not listen to you anymore. All the villagers praised the village headman for his wisdom. Now all the villagers were very happy by the decision, by the intelligence of the village headman which he showed by giving the decision, right decision. They were very happy that Gopal had learnt a good lesson and Nila had got the bangle instead. That villagers were very happy that this miser, this liar Gopal should get a lesson from this incident. In future he will not show this type of greediness and he will not tell lie against other. He should pay penalty for that, and for that those gold bangles will now onwards belong to Nila, Raju's wife. This story is a very good story about the person who, being a rich, also says other that he is not that much rich. So he used to keep all his wealth intact with him. Instead of thinking of other, little of it, if you can help other needy people, especially your neighbors, your relatives, your friends who are in problem, if from those little wealth you can use for the service of your mankind, it would be a great thing of pride and satisfaction for a person. But if you think that all the wealth I will take with me when I will go out from this world, it is totally wrong conception, because we will not take anything with us when we leave this world. So better when we have possessed those wealth, we should think of other needy people and should help them, and we should get blessing from God and be a good human being in life. Children, very beautiful story. Story also having a good message that honesty is the best policy. Being honest, you will be rewarded every time. Being a liar, you will be a loser every time. Thank you children for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.